Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to run payroll in QuickBooks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In QuickBooks, payroll is a tool that helps businesses manage employee payments and related tasks. It lets you set up employee details, calculate wages, and automatically handle tax deductions. You can pay employees via direct deposit and generate important payroll reports. Essentially, it simplifies the entire process of paying employees and keeping accurate payroll records. Now, to run payroll in QuickBooks, go to the Payroll section in QuickBooks and select Overview. Click on Run Payroll. If you have multiple pay schedules, choose the one you need for the current pay run. Choose the account in QuickBooks where payroll transactions are tracked. Note that this won't change the actual bank account used for payroll. Ensure the pay period and pay date are correct. You can adjust them if necessary. You will see a list of employees scheduled for payment. Uncheck any employees you don't want to pay this period. Next, enter employee hours. For salaried employees, QuickBooks automatically calculates their pay. For hourly employees, enter the hours worked. If using QuickBooks Time, hours will be auto-populated for approval. Next, choose the employee whose payment method you want to change. Click on Edit. Next to the payment method, choose Direct Deposit. Enter the required banking details such as the transit number, institution number, and account number. Confirm the account number and save the change. Review the total pay, tax withheld, and net pay for each employee. Once everything looks good, click Submit Payroll. You can print paychecks or pay stubs, or if employees have access to QuickBooks Workforce, they can view their pay stubs online. And that's pretty much all about how you can run payrolls in QuickBooks. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye-bye and I will see you in the next one.